So what we're looking right now is one of the most powerful UV sterilizer in the market. So this bad boy is the UV Care Ultra Germ Zapper. So created by UV Care. So as you can see on the side, it's by UV Care. Okay. Machine based on UV Care kills 99.9% of germs, bacteria, viruses, and molds. So also, they said it is one of the best UV Care or UV sterilizer in the market and one of the most powerful as of the moment. So this machine is perfect for sterilizing rooms and offices. So this machine sterilizes about 55 square meters. Everything that I will be telling or saying in this video is purely my own opinion. So kindly do your own research if you would like to purchase this item. We have plugged the outlet. Now you will see these lights when it's already plugged in. Then just press the on and off button, turn it on. Then we'll choose how many minutes. So we'll just choose 30 seconds.
UV Care sterilizing will begin in 30 seconds. Caution, exposure to UVC light may cause eye and skin irritation. Please leave the area. UV Care sterilizing will begin in 30 seconds. Caution, exposure to UVC light and skin irritation. Please leave the area.
Overall, I love this item, but I just have one small problem, but it could be resolved easily just by hiding it properly. So this is my problem. This area, which is the area where the bulb is being kept, so it doesn't have any kind of cover. So it's just a small problem, but either you put it on a safe place or you can put something here to cover the bulb. But overall, I'm satisfied with this gadget, one of the best and most powerful UV in the market. And that is the end of our video, guys. So if you like this video, kindly like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that if I release new videos or information, you will be notified by YouTube. So once again, guys, this is Daddy Kicks, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.